So today we're gonna do a little product review. I was looking for scholarships online since I'm a senior in high school, which most of you guys know, I'm pretty sure. And so I came across this fishing one where this company would send me lures, and I would have to make a video, like I am now, of me fishing with them, hopefully catching fish. And that gives me a chance to win scholarship money. So, open this. Like so. Without you guys seeing my name, of course. Or my address. That's fine. Okay. Let's see. Alright. So these are our Steel Shad guys. Let's see. Mr. Stephen Price, I'm sorry for cutting in the paper here. So yeah, it's just a thank you letter on applying for the scholarship program, and then connect with your people. Oh my god. You have to connect via Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Follow at Steel Shad Lures, and visit the website at www.steelshad.com. So yeah, and then it's signed by Stephen Price, of course. So, Steel Shad bait number 1 imitates injured fish. I like the stainless steel and the shiny color. Very reflective, and that will help lure fish from the deep, especially if they're shade, or just if the water's like cloudy or anything. The sunlight will help bounce off the side of the lure. Here's another one, rainbow trout color. Yeah, very reflective also. Here's another. It's like, okay, so this one's silver. This one's golden. Doesn't look golden, but it's golden, trust me. Another silver one. This one's bigger, of course, and a golden one. So we're gonna have to give those a shot. I do have one of my rods set up with a rattle trap, and I'm gonna put a Steel Shad on there and see what happens. Steel Shad bait number uno. Whew, went into my finger. This is a very heavy bait, so it's going to sink pretty rapidly, but I'm interested, holy crap, to see if it catches fish for me. So, new spot. This pond is the third pond of a 3-pond system. So there's a pond up there that has ginormous bass, and then that leads into a smaller pond that the city tends to stock like catfish and stuff in, and then this is the third and final pond that flows into, I believe, Little Bear Creek, and then goes down into the Trinity, into the Pacific Ocean. Not Pacific Ocean, what's wrong with me? The Gulf of Mexico. There we go. So during pre-spawn, I generally see some bass kind of stuck up here, right where the water comes in, and then there's a gizzard shad that go left and right. And so this Steel Shad's probably gonna do very well here. The water is kind of cloudy, so let's give it a go. So just right out down into there, and then yeah, hopefully something is biting. Oh, I really just want to catch a fish. Oh, what was that? I didn't realize there's snags down here. Yeah, there's my what is this? Oh, this is a massive stick. Oh god. Alright. Guys, so I'm gonna head up that way to the other 3 ponds, and I'm gonna fish with the Steel Shad and the Senko and see if I can get anything to hit. If I don't get anything on the Senko, I'm gonna switch over to like a jerkbait, because I haven't tried jerkbait up there in quite a while, but I have had success. I hooked like a 5 or 6 pound bass up there on jerkbait, and it broke me off, but that was years and years ago. But yeah, hopefully up there is going to be a little more successful than this part down here, and maybe the stuff behind me. So yeah, let's get to this. Let's go. There, and now I'm here. So just for the heck of it, since this is all lit up, I'm gonna take 2 or 3 casts, just boom, 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 I guess, and then I'll head over to that pond. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a big bass, guys. Oh, darn it. That was a huge bass. Oh. Ah. Well, at least you guys at Steel Shad know this thing works. God dang it. Oh. That's it for me today. I fished with the Steel Shad bait for I think a good 3 hours, and I got probably 2 or 3 hits on it. So it's a really good bait to use, honestly, especially in the winter. It's just I wish I had more time to use it. So I'm not gonna close off today's video just yet, because I might come out tomorrow before the cold front arrives.
TFB here again. It's the next day, still fishing with Steel Shad and the Senko. I haven't changed anything. Sorry, there's an airplane up there. I'm fishing this pond here with there's a dam back that way, or it's that way if you're actually looking that way. So, yeah, hopefully I can catch a fish today.
Wind noise.